Now, over some years now since we've been producing our fence systems, we've had the Mark 1 and then we introduced the Mark 2, and then we made a slight amendment to the Mark 2 where we cut the underrail fence out of the actual extrusion. Well, over the years people have asked us, I've cut bevel edges and I've actually cut into the underrail support. So what we've done now is we've actually introduced the bevel measurements into the new fence system. So what we've actually done is we've remade the extrusion. We've made the bottom part of the extrusion to be thicker, so it's more solid, as well as being stronger and less flexible. We also have completely covered up all the slots on the fence. What this does now, that gives us this whole of this fence to be able to put markings on. So we've got our normal 0 to 950 on a single fence, but we've also got angled measurements for when you want to do bevel cuts. So what happens when you want to do your normal cuts and how you want to set it up? So as normal, you would set your fence here at your cut line, where your cutting strip would be finishing. So when you're cutting, it doesn't cut off the fence. And to do that, you literally put your track down, undo your fence dogs, and just bring it up to where your cutting strip has been trimmed. Simple and easy. So to do the bevel cuts, so you know that your fence is out of the way when you want to do the cuts, we supply you with this little bevel offset block. And all you do is you undo these thumb screws here, you slide your fence back, you use the block, put it up to your cutting strip, and then lock it down. That gives you the perfect offset of the fence away from your cut line. So when you want to do your bevel cuts, it's out the way and you still keep your measurements that you want to cut it at. And then when you're finished, you can use the block again. You can undo your fence dogs, slide it up to your cut line, and then lock it down. So we've also improved our support dog. So what we've done is we've made an amendment to the support dog where the original dog had a flat side. So what we've done now is we've actually made the dog the actual diameter of the fence dogs. So 20.6 mil. It matches exactly the same as a fence dog. So when you put it into your track, it doesn't matter whether you've got that flat bit there. It's always at the same position as you normally would. So these are the improvements we've got, and I'll explain that what we've got is the fences that are 950 mil. We also do it as a 1900 millimeters. That comes in 2 sections, and a 3-section one at 2850 mil. This fence will come with Mark II quad fence dogs, as well as green flag dogs. So you get 1 with 1 fence, 2 with the 2 fence sections, and 3 with the 3rd one. The markings are in metric and imperial only, and you can purchase it as a fence only if you want to upgrade your system that you've already got. You can also order it as the full kit, or you can order it as a bundle where it comes with the right-hand fence as well as the fence system itself. So there you have it. That's our new Mark III fence system, and it's available on our website at benchdogs.co.uk. It's also available at our resellers at taytools.com in the USA and Canada, and in Germany for the EU at Shop. Thanks for watching.